In this video, I want to use what's my practice now. I have a question asked you. So what function they are used to calculate in this cell? And I have two answers to you guess. One sum and two average. Okay, correct. I use average for calculate and show the number in cell. I will practice and show you again. Read the question here. How to display the average student score? I will to display the average student score on the cell here. First, I want to explain you that before you use the average function, you should be do like this. You just press equal sign, open bracket, click on this button, plus the second score, and plus the third score, and plus the fourth score. Close bracket and divide 4 score. It means that there are 4 subjects, you need to plus all here and divide 4 subject. Okay, alright. Finish, press enter. Click these buttons to show all. Okay, so this is the step 1 that I want to show you, that we use the simple formula that to calculate average score of the student. We will use the function that will replace the formula. Okay, I select the cell and remove. And if you want to use the average function, you just press equal. Next, if show you like that, you just press tab. Next, click on this button and pull down. Okay, so the answer show all in the cell of the student. One more step I want you clear about to use the average function. I select all the cell here and remove. Again, press equal sign and I close this button. And I write the average function. Open bracket, select 4 score, 1, 2, 3, 4, and close bracket, enter. Okay, so the success autofill, you just click on this to show autofill number in cell. Okay, so this is the 3 ways that you can use the average into the Google Sheet. And I hope that you understand which to use the average. And the most time I use average for the calculate or the sum of the student score after the exam. Okay, so this is the basic example. Thank you for your love sharing. See you next video.